Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. This week's topic, time management. In the fast-paced environment of an automotive repair shop, time management is crucial for technicians to maximize efficiency and productivity. With multiple vehicles to repair and a constant stream of tasks, effective time management can make a significant difference in meeting deadlines, improving customer satisfaction, and maintaining a smooth workflow. In today's video, we will explore time management tips specifically tailored for automotive repair technicians to enhance their efficiency in the repair shop. Prioritize and plan. Start each day by creating a prioritized task list. Identify urgent repairs, customer appointments, and critical deadlines. Organize the tasks based on their importance and allocate time slots accordingly. Having a clear plan in place will help you stay focused, reduce distractions, and make the most of your time. Streamline workflow. Develop an efficient workflow by organizing your tools, equipment, and workstations. Arrange your tools in a logical manner to minimize time spent searching for the right tool. Ensure the necessary equipment and supplies are easily accessible. Streamlining your workspace will save valuable minutes on each repair and improve overall efficiency. Delegate and collaborate. In a team environment, effective delegation and collaboration are essential. If feasible, delegate certain tasks to colleagues who may have expertise or availability in specific areas. Collaborate with other technicians when facing complex or time-consuming repairs. By sharing responsibilities and leveraging each other's strengths, you can complete repairs more efficiently and effectively. Optimize diagnostic processes. Diagnostic procedures often take a significant portion of a technician's time. Invest in advanced diagnostic tools and software to streamline the process. Familiarize yourself with manufacturer-specific diagnostic flowcharts and troubleshooting guides. Develop a systematic approach to diagnostics, eliminating unnecessary steps and focusing on the most probable causes. Minimize distractions. Distractions can disrupt workflow and lead to wasted time. Minimize distractions by creating a dedicated workspace, keeping personal devices out of reach, and setting boundaries with colleagues. Establish a culture of focused work within the repair shop, encouraging everyone to respect each other's concentration during critical repair tasks. Continuous learning and skill development. Enhancing your knowledge and skills through continuous learning can significantly improve your efficiency. Stay updated with the latest repair techniques, diagnostic procedures, and industry trends. Attend training sessions and workshops to expand your expertise. The more knowledgeable you become, the faster and more accurate your repairs will be. Utilize technology. Leverage technology to streamline various aspects of your work. Use digital platforms and apps to manage customer appointments, track repair progress, and access technical resources. Take advantage of diagnostic software, vehicle databases, and manufacturer portals to access vital information quickly. Incorporating technology into your workflow can save time and enhance accuracy. Effective time management is a key factor in maximizing efficiency and productivity for automotive repair technicians. By prioritizing and planning tasks, streamlining workflows, delegating and collaborating effectively, optimizing diagnostic processes, minimizing distractions, investing in continuous learning, and utilizing technology, technicians can make the most of their time in the repair shop. Remember, efficient time management not only enhances your personal performance, but also contributes to the overall success and reputation of the repair shop. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.